The label says pine bud drink. Excuse me? Excuse me? I think I'm gonna keep this, drink for last. I feel like that's gonna be really fucking nasty. Let's try another snack. A chocolate pie? This might be yummy. Hi. There's a pan wine in Korea. Yuck. Yuck. You guys like the sound that it makes? I love ASMR sounds. Did you order this stuff? It's called Universal Yums, and they send me a box every month of different snacks to try from different places. This one looks like a moon pie. Have you tried ice cream mochi? I haven't. I'm not a huge fan of ice cream. It's a moon pie. This is dead ass a moon pie. I have to get that because I don't want my animals to eat this. It's chocolate. It's good. It's a moon pie. Are the boxes expensive? I think it's $50 a month. But I get the one that comes with the most snacks. There's like different levels you can get.